Oh, hey, the place is like open. Kind of. And, wow, here are the crickets. This is so good looking for my video. See, I get to walk and make a video.
Yeah.
Okay, this leafy green stuff. Look at it. So good. Look how green it looks on the camera.
Yeah.
Wow, it all looks shinier.
And here, Jodo.
Whoa, cool. Wait, where are the acorns? Oh yeah, they're in the tree. Can you see them?
Here.
There we go. Okay. The acorns are forming. Can we just like take... okay, acorn right there. Oh cool, acorns. They're not ripe yet, but they count.
Yeah.
See guys, acorns. See, like this is an acorn. I think it's from last year or something. It's like all black. I found this black acorn. Well, it's like a black acorn. Is that like ripe? Oh, then it's a ripe acorn. Cool, look. Acorns. Acorns, yes. Look at this magic. Look at magic. Well, okay, that looks cool. Okay, so here's all the acorns we found. Look at it. Like, they look like this and stuff. Like, I think this is the ripe kind, and this is like the raw kind. So that's cool. Wait. Look everywhere for like the acorn stuff, but we could not find any. Now we have this many. This is so good. Acorns. Acorns. Click. This looks so good. Whoa, click. Look. This is so cool. Wait, can we take a video of this stuff and put it on YouTube? Yeah, it's like public. Whoa, cool. Look at the lights. Cool. Cool looking. They've got tables and stuff. This is so greatly decorated. Look at it. Wow. Cool. Okay, so they have this columns things. Pretty good. Yeah. And another acorn tree. Everywhere you look, it's an acorn tree. Over there is a fox or wolf. Wait, is that a wolf or a fox? It's a wolf. To scare away all the geese. Because there were too many geese. So it's like fake, see? Oh, and I should just go up to it. Okay, so look how cool this is. Okay, you see this? Oh wow, this is what it looks like up close. That is so funny. See? It's like this. Is it wearing mascara? Is it? Oh yeah, on one side, mascara, yeah. And, whoa, that shine looks so good at a photograph. Photograph. Okay, so look at this lovely picture. Beautiful. Picture, photograph. Oh, this looks good. Photograph, okay. This looks so good. This is gonna be a great video. And another fox. This looks so good. Look at this awesome nature. Like, just look at all the scenery. See, Mommy, it's so good. And what is on that pathway? If we took this pathway, we'd probably go to the playground. see, you'll just see a cute little pathway, and I'll just click. Perfect. It looks shinier on the phone. See? Brighter. Very nice. See? Okay, there they are. Where are they going? Come on. Okay, they're going down. They're like airplanes. We are on a dock. It's a cool dock. Dock. Carefully, carefully, just showing the water. Very carefully. Click. Yes. Beautiful water. Beautiful scenery. Adam, some more geese. They are Adam. They are near. Geese. Scenery. Geesery. Okay, we are getting close, and this one is sleeping. Careful. Wait. What? Oh, no! Look at them all. Hi! Hello there! Where are you guys going? Oh no! Oh no! What if they go into traffic? That would be bad. Hi there! Oh hi! Oh, okay. Hi there! Hello! The geese do not hey, don't hiss! Sorry! Oh, if you bring snacks, then they'll come towards you. But since we don't have snacks, they come away. Maybe we should have brought some goldfish.
Yeah.
No, then they're really aggressive. Okay, photograph. Hello. Oh, no, okay. They're stomping. Oh, bye! Sorry! Sorry, guys! Sorry, everyone! Oh, hi, ducky! Duckies. Click. Duckies. Look! So cute! Oh, okay. Ooh, duck picture. Okay. There we go. Oh, they made mess. Okay. Yeah.
One more round.
What? No. No more round.
No, warm up చేసుకోవాలి మా legs.
You warm up your legs. Ooh, tall grass. Cool. Tall grass. Okay. And we're going to Dakar.